Hi, welcome to Pyrography Made Easy. I'm Brenda. In this episode, I am going to give you 5 tips to help your artwork stand out and or give it a more polished or professional look. Well, let's get started. This tiger looks pretty good, but if I increase the tonal variety and the contrast, it looks much better. Comparing the two side by side really shows the difference. Increased tonal variety and high contrast makes artwork stand out, plus it's more visually appealing and encourages the viewer to look longer. Add a border frame to give your artwork a polished look. It can be a solid color like this one, or a touch fancier like this rounded border. Another option is something like this rattan border. You can even let your subject overlap onto the border like I did with the cheetah and this corgi dog. Creating a picture frame opening is another way to make your artwork stand out and to give your artwork that polished, professional look. I have a border frame playlist that has all my tutorials on border frames. It can be found in either the Learn to Burn Part 2 shelf or the informational shelf. Painting the sides of your board is another way to give your artwork a more professional, polished look. I personally think the darker sides look much better than bare wood. I use acrylic paints for 2 reasons. One, they are opaque, so it covers the wood completely. And 2, painting the sides is much easier and a lot faster than burning them. Add a wooden base or cradle to your artwork. This allows you to attach the hanging hardware on the inside of the base so that the artwork hangs flush against the wall, versus sticking out a bit from the wall, which is what happens with most hangers like sawtooths. I have a video that explains how to make a cradled board. A link will be in the video description. Add a background. It can be solid in color or gradient shading. You can create the vague impression of trees or slightly out of focus trees. Even bubble backgrounds can be used. My owl artwork is something I wish I had put a background on because I think it would have helped the owl stand out better. On my homepage, on the Learn to Burn Part 2 shelf, I do have a backgrounds tutorial playlist, and it explains how to create a lot of the backgrounds that I showcased in this video. Well, that is it for this video. I hope the contents of this video are something that will be helpful in your own artwork. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you soon.